remember, this doesn't start until the 14th. And like I said, this is a bit more sophisticated. Now, what are we saying here? What we're saying is, well, the market might pop up for a couple of days, but I think the momentum is going to be to the downside, and it's going to stay to the downside. In other words, I think that the yen is going to be stronger against the dollar, but it might take a couple of days to start. I mean, do you see the beauty of this? I mean, there is a lot you can do with Forex options. Hopefully, do you see why I love the Forex? I mean, you can't do this in equities. You just can't do it. Very customized. Of course, there are some limitations that we've already seen. You can't buy, really long options. Well, really, that's about the only risk, or the only downfall. All of that depends on the broker. Owanda does not want to take the risk of time. Okay, that's all. But anyway, so let me go over this again. What you're saying here is that you think the yen is going to go down. Remember, look at the bottom here. This bottom is right here even with price. But you see there's this gap in time right here in between the box and current price? Well, with that gap, again, what you're saying is, I think the yen is going to go down. It's going to go under 121.27, but it may take a couple of days to start. There may be 2 or 3 days where the market pops back up. But I think overall it's going to go down. Okay, now let's look at what happens if we, there we go. Let's move the box out. And keep your eye right here. Whoops, can't really see that. Keep your eye right here. Now you can see when I put a bigger gap, see this? I went from 4 days to 5 days. Actually almost 6 days. See that? 4 days to 6 days. This one went from about a 2-to-1 ratio to just under. It's like 1.5. 1.5 to 1. Okay, it's because, what am I saying? That the yen will go down, but it's going to take, 4 or 5 days now, and then it'll start going down. There's more time. Okay, again, if I extend it out even more, comes down a little bit, and you might see a reaction here if you go out a little bit more in time. You might see this pop back up. If you lower, see this maximum level, or I'm sorry, the minimum level here. Whoops, you can't. You see this minimum level here? If I lower that, you'll probably see this thing pop up. Look, 228. Now again, what am I saying? Look over here at the chart. What I'm saying is the yen is going to go down. In fact, even further down. I think there's more than 100 pips downside. But I think it may take some time to get started. So today is the 10th, all the way into July 17th. So even if the market did this, pops up, trades up here. Those are a little bit big. Let me go a little bit smaller. So we've got 1 day, 2 days. So I've got 7 days total. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, see that? I mean, that's just one possibility. I'm not saying the market is going to do that, but do you see what I mean? There's some time. You're saying that I think the yen is going to go down, but I think there's going to be some time. I want to give myself 7 days, but I really think that this is going to be a big move. Okay? Very, very customizable. Now let's go back and see. Let's zoom back out. Now let's look at the chart. Okay, and let's actually decide what might actually happen here based on the chart. Okay, we can see that the market found support around May, which means it could bounce up right to here. Now I know you can't see this, but let me just go ahead and count the days where it took to move up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it moved up in 3 days, but it stayed in this range for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,